In this video, I'm going to show you an updated method on how to recover permanently deleted photos and videos without backup or third-party apps. So if you like to restore all data and you have tried other methods which didn't work for you, then this video is right for you. So follow along as I guide you step by step, and if you find this video useful, consider giving a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and turn notification bell to be notified whenever I upload new recovery video. So that being said, let's begin. So guys, I'll first delete some of my files for clear proof. So I'll open my file manager, then tap on internal storage, then go to the download folder. So delete some of my files for clear proof. And then tap on delete, as you can see. So guys, the first step is to open your Gmail application. Then tap on your profile icon here at the top right corner. Then tap on manage your Google account. Now you guys need to select data and privacy. So tap on that option. Then make sure to scroll down. Now here under download or delete your data, select the first option, download your data. Now guys, need to deselect all. So tap on deselect all. Then scroll down to locate Google Photos. And then we select Google Photos. Then scroll down to the bottom. Then tap on the next step button. So guys, you need to choose the destination of your file. So leave it as default. Send download link via email. File type, make sure leave it as default. The file size, you can choose according to your preferences. So I'll select 1 GB. Then tap on create export. Now here they tell you your files are currently being prepared. This process can take a long time, possibly hours or days to complete. You'll receive an email when export is done. So guys, you need to wait for that email.
A few moments later.
So after some time, I received an email. So I'll open that email. It says your Google data is ready to download. Now for you to download your data, you need to tap on download your files. So guys, in case you never received downloading links via email, you can still download your data. Now to do so, just go to your Gmail application once more, then tap on your profile icon once more, then tap on manage your Google account. Then here, you need to tap on that search icon at the top right corner. Then make sure you type in download your data. So tap on manage exports. As you can see, your latest export. So tap on manage exports. So guys, you'll see your total file size. So tap on download. And then it will automatically download your file, as you can see. So you need to wait for it to finish. Now after the file is downloaded, you can't open it here since it's a zipped file. So minimize and open your file manager once more. Then internal storage. Then go to the downloading folders. Then tap on this zipped file. So make sure you So guys, after the process is finished, now go to that folder, tap on it, then you'll see photos since 2018, 2019, or which year that you deleted those photos of yours. So here are my photos, guys. As you can see, fully recovered these photos without backup or apps, as you can see, guys. So guys, with those steps you can easily recover your permanently deleted photos and videos without backup and third-party apps. So that is for me today. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.